So guys, if this video is a little more shaky and a little lower quality, I apologize. I just got out of writing a new contract with the Toll Brothers in Star Trail, and all I have is my iPhone. So I'm gonna do my best to make it not too shaky. So these lots are on half acres. And you can tell, I mean, there's some good separation. Kids are playing. They probably think I'm some weird dude with a camera. There's the front of the house. Here are the beams. Listen, see, that's a solid beam. That's not facing boards nailed together. That's one beam. And you can see the structure, right? That's, now up here is the framing, but you can tell, you know, these are pretty big cedar beams. Those are nice. You also understand those are stained or painted, but once painted, they can't be restained. Big entryway, probably gonna be double doors from the width of that. There is a hallway to the right going down to bedrooms, because I saw a bathroom in there. This is probably gonna be, from the looks of it, let's see, I would say a study with a closet. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm gonna say that is. A study with a closet based on the double doors in the closet. From the front, we then walk into the great room. You're gonna have a fireplace, a little built-in area, lots of windows, big massive kitchen down there. This ought to be a stunning house. Really pretty. And utility room. Not sure what the rest of these rooms are gonna be. Maybe a mud room. And then the garage. That's got to be a huge pantry is my guess right here. It's gonna be a massive pantry. That's really gonna be neat. You're gonna have the kitchen counters and you got windows, 3 big windows. The oven and the water line, so the fridge. You got a big sliding door back there. You got a closet and then another garage. Walking back to the kitchen. I know I'm spinning around, guys. I'm working with rudimentary equipment here. You got to work with me. And then walking into here, this is a huge room. That's a half wall. So I'm going to say media room, kind of family game room in here with another slider. Possibly a bedroom back there. That's the third garage over here. You got a fireplace out there. So you've got a fireplace with a big covered porch, another slider over there. So it's kind of a, that's kind of a funky little back porch. You've got 2 sliders going on. And then all the way over here, I'm gonna double down and I'm gonna say this is the master. So we walk through here and that's gotta be a bonus room because all the windows, there's no closet and no bathroom. So that's some kind of family room or bonus room. This is gonna be the master. I don't know, it does come with windows, I promise. This is not like all natural ventilation. Something had to happen where that window was removed. But this is gonna be your master suite. You got some really big, dramatically high ceilings. And then you're gonna go into the master bath. Remember, this is a PEX system. PEX is basically a really hardcore plastic. Red's hot, blue's cold, there's your drain. PEX is better than copper in my opinion. They have stress tested that to like bazillions of pounds of pressure and it won't break. The little seals won't pop. And it doesn't really expand and break when the water freezes, which is a big, I mean, Texas, it's hot here, but we do get cold weather and it can freeze once in a blue moon. It's kind of like you're talking to my hand. You notice that? You can't see my face, so I need to have hand gestures. Anyway, again, your second lavatory, I have no idea what that is. Probably, this is the shower over here, probably the tub here, the facilities here, and then the master closet here, right? I know we're playing Imagine If You Will, but you know, you had asked me to come out here, so I'm doing this, trying to get as good a video as I can before it gets dark. This house may very well be sold, I don't know. Look at the cathedral ceiling going on in here. That's pretty cool. It's gonna be a pretty house, no doubt. And then going down this hallway, remember it's right off the entrance, we're gonna have a bedroom with a closet and a sink, split Jack and Jill, closet and sink, another bedroom, right? Both of those bedrooms face the front of the street, and then another bedroom with its own private bath and a walk-in closet. Okay, sorry, thank you for going along with me. Man, I gotta tell you, it's been a day. As one of my best friends, his name's Thomas. One of the things Thomas says, he's from like Oklahoma. I mean, he's country. What Thomas says is, I'm war slick. Well, brothers and sisters, this is a war slick real estate agent. It has been a day, it has been a week, and tomorrow is gonna be Monday. I think everybody wants to move to Texas right now. I don't know what's going on in this nation, but it's like everybody's fleeing to Texas thinking it's better or safer, or it's actually kind of warm here. I don't know if y'all can see the sun. I don't want to blind you, but it is beautiful here in Texas. We got bluebird skies. Let me turn around. There you go. Can you see our skies? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's middle of January. It's like 65 degrees, sun shining. We're building beautiful houses. If y'all are looking for a real estate agent, whether you're wanting to sell, buy, or build, let me be your guy. Give me a call. I'd love to help you. But until I see you again, may God keep and bless you and cause his face to shine upon you. Y'all stay safe.